Warren Buffett once called it the best book on investing ever written. It wasn't a biography about him, and it wasn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It was The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Buffett didn't just read this book, he adopted it as his investment Bible. The principles within it helped him turn Berkshire Hathaway from a failing textile mill into a global conglomerate. Today, we are breaking down the 8 fundamental rules Warren Buffett learned from Benjamin Graham that every intelligent investor needs to know. Let's dive in. Rule number 1. Know the difference between investing and speculating. Graham defined investing as an operation that, upon thorough analysis, promises safety of principal and a satisfactory return. Anything else? That's speculation. If you're buying a stock because you think the price will go up tomorrow without knowing the value of the underlying business, you aren't investing. You're gambling. Rule number 2. Understand Mr. Market. Graham personified the stock market as a manic-depressive partner named Mr. Market. Every day, he comes to your door and offers to buy your interest or sell you his at different prices. Sometimes he's euphoric and asks for too much. Sometimes he's depressed and sells for peanuts. Buffett learned that you shouldn't let Mr. Market's mood dictate your decisions. Use his moodiness to your advantage, not as a guide. Rule number 3. Always demand a margin of safety. This is perhaps the most famous concept from the book. You never buy a stock for $1 that you believe is worth $1. You buy it for 50 cents. That 50 cents difference is your margin of safety. It protects you if your analysis is slightly off or if the market takes a surprise downturn. Rule number 4. Stay within your circle of competence. Buffett famously avoids tech stocks he doesn't understand. Graham taught that you should only invest in businesses where you have a clear understanding of how they make money. If you can't explain the business model to a 10-year-old, don't invest in it. Rule number 5. Focus on fundamental analysis. Stop looking at stock charts and technical indicators. Look at the balance sheet. Look at the debt-to-equity ratio, the cash flow, and the management team. Buffett learned from Graham that a stock is not a ticker symbol, it is a piece of ownership in a real, functioning company. Rule number 6. Emotional discipline is your greatest asset. The market is driven by fear and greed. Buffett learned that the most intelligent investors are the ones who can remain rational when everyone else is panicking. When the market is falling and everyone is selling, the intelligent investor stays calm and looks for value. Rule number 7. Be a defensive investor. Graham categorized investors into 2 types, enterprising and defensive. For most people, he recommended the defensive approach. This means avoiding the urge to swing for the fences with risky, high-growth stocks. Instead, build a portfolio of high-quality, reliable companies and let time do the heavy lifting. Rule number 8. Think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Buffett learned that time is the friend of the wonderful company and the enemy of the mediocre. Don't look for the next big thing that will double your money in a week. Find great companies, buy them at a fair price, and hold them for years or even decades. Benjamin Graham's teachings aren't complicated, but they are incredibly difficult to follow because they require patience and discipline, 2 things the modern, fast-paced stock market discourages. But if you can master these 8 rules, you'll stop acting like a gambler and start acting like a business owner. Which of these rules do you find the hardest to follow? Is it the margin of safety or keeping your emotions in check? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more deep dives into the strategies of the world's greatest investors. Thanks for watching and happy investing.